Adobe Photoshop alternative GIMP. Adobe Photoshop is a photo editing software and it costs a lot. Yeah, a lot.
Disgusting!
Photoshop can edit and compose images in multiple layers and supports masks, composting and several color models including RGB. So let me show you some amazing artwork created through Photoshop. You can download the free Photoshop alternative GIMP from their website. GIMP's user interface is clean and minimalistic and also easy to understand, and I'm sure you won't miss using Photoshop after you switch to GIMP. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. GIMP is a free and open source graphics editor used for image retouching and editing, free form drawing. You can also convert between different image formats, and it can also be used for more specialized tasks. GIMP is supported on Windows, Mac OS as well as Linux. And here's some amazing artwork created on GIMP. Adobe Premiere Pro alternative Vinci Resolve. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software and costs the same as Photoshop.
Disgusting!
So a free alternative for that is Vinci Resolve. To download Vinci Resolve, you've got to go to their official website, register and then download. Vinci Resolve is a color correction and video editing application for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. The software includes video editing, color correction, audio mixing effects and visual effects. Vinci Resolve can support most of the file formats including MP4 and AVI. So Vinci Resolve is a good free alternative for Final Cut Pro and Premiere Pro. Microsoft Office replacement LibreOffice. We all know about Microsoft Office, MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. And you must be using it daily too. Due to its cost, many people tend to crack and use it, which is actually illegal. So a good alternative from MS Office is LibreOffice. You can download LibreOffice from their official website. Let me explain. MS Word is LibreOffice. MS PowerPoint is LibreOffice Impress. MS Publisher is LibreOffice Draw. MS Excel is LibreOffice Calc. MS Access is LibreOffice Base. So let's first take a look at LibreOffice Impress. In LibreOffice Impress, you can create slides, add images, transitions and more, and it's pretty much the same as PowerPoint. In LibreOffice Draw, which is like Publisher, you can import images, transform them, add effects. Using Draw, you can also create visiting cards, brochures and magazine covers. Then we have LibreOffice Calc, which is pretty much MS Excel. In Calc, you can create spreadsheets, lists, and also do the basic calculations using formulae. Last but not the least, we have LibreOffice Writer, which is pretty much the same as MS Word. You can create articles, newsletters, and more. And also do all the basic stuff you could do in MS Word. SolidWorks alternative, Onshape. SolidWorks is a solid modeling CAD software. In simpler words, it is a 3D designing software. It is basically used for product designing and runs on Windows. Onshape is basically a website run software for 3D designing. Its highlight is that multiple users can work on a single project as it is cloud based. Onshape is used for product designing and 3D printing, and it is a great alternative for SolidWorks. And here is some hands on footage on Onshape. Thank you friends for watching. If you enjoyed, do consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notifications so that you never miss another update. And I'll catch you in the next one.